Hi friends, today we will study natural calamities. Calamities are the events that take place and cause great damage to human life and property. When they are caused by natural factors, we call them natural calamities. Earthquakes. When there is an earthquake, the ground shakes and along with the ground, buildings shake too. Walls of houses get cracks and sometimes houses fall down. Sometimes people lose their loved ones. Sometimes they lose all their belongings. The government provides tents, beds and food to homeless people after earthquake. Often the army is called out to help the people. Japan is very prone to earthquakes. Earthquakes are also very common in certain parts of India too. So what should be done if there is an earthquake? If you ever feel the ground shake or fans or pictures on the wall shake, simply run out of the building as fast as possible. It is safer outside where nothing can fall on you. Don't enter the building even after the earthquake stops, as building may be damaged and may fall down later. Also, there are usually aftershocks which shake the ground hours or even days after the major earthquake. Cyclones and floods. Cyclones are quite common in coastal areas of India. A cyclone is very strong wind accompanied with heavy rains. Cyclone damages crops and houses and blow down electric lines. Heavy rains causes rivers to rise above their banks. Water from rivers enters homes and fields causing flood. Floods also happen near sea during cyclones as strong winds causes high waves called tidal waves in the sea. Floods and cyclones causes great damage to life and property. Weather forecasters study the weather and can predict the flood or a cyclone most of the time. A warning is given to people over TV, radio or in the newspapers so that people get ready for the situation. During floods or cyclones, rescue workers are immediately put on to action. The army is also called in to airlift the stranded people and to airdrop food and medicines. Doctors are also put on to duty as there is usually an outbreak of diseases such as cholera, gastroenteritis and typhoid. The Red Cross and NGO provides services and goods like medicines, clothing and blood to the affected people. Drought. A drought is a dry period with rainfall far below the average. In 2002, several regions in our country did not get enough rainfall. States such as Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Maharashtra, Orissa, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu were declared drought affected. When there is no rain, there is not enough water for everyone and pumps and lakes and reservoirs dry up. People in cities do not get water in their taps and farmers do not have enough water for their crops. Due to lack of water, crops die and there is less food. Livestock and other animals perish too. In severe drought, people may even die because of the shortage of food and water. This is known as famine. Famine may also lead to widespread of diseases leading to epidemics. To deal with drought, large amount of money is required to distribute food and water. Governments and NGOs provide money and help. Friends, natural calamities can slow down the progress of a country, but it is a time to come together as a nation and face the problem boldly. Friends, that's all about natural calamities. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. All the best.